Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add videos on top of another video in Canva. To begin, open Canva and click on the video option. Choose the size you need and open a new page. Next, go to the Elements tab and search for the video you want to use. Click on the first video to add it to the page. Adjust the page size and position as needed. Then select the second video and click to add it to the same page. Adjust the position and size accordingly. You can also add rounded corners and borders to the videos for a customized look. Make sure to adjust the timing as needed. Click the play button to preview your overlay video. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.